Oh my God. My flight is at 6:30 p.m. and it's already 1 p.m. The traffic is terrible. I still have to get home, finish packing, and leave with my family.
Don't worry. I'll try to get you home as quickly as possible. I'll take the fastest route.
Mommy, I'm so excited to see Paris. Me too, Mom. I can't wait.
I know, I'm excited too. I've never been to Paris before. This is going to be an amazing trip for all of us.
Mom, I can't find my hoodie for the airport.
I think I forgot to wash it. It's probably in the laundry hamper. It's on the couch, sweetheart. Go grab it.
Okay, Mommy. You're right, Mom. It was on the couch. You always know everything.
Mom, where's Dad? It's getting late. He texted me. He's stuck in traffic.
Seriously?
Guys, I'm home. Are you ready for the trip?
Dad, why are you so late?
I'm sorry, sweetie.
I thought we were going to miss our flight.
Don't worry, we have plenty of time.
We're almost ready. We just need to grab our bags and go.
Before we leave, we need to check the list one more time.
Okay, I have the checklist right here. Let me make sure we packed everything. Passports, checked. Tickets, checked. Phones, checked. Chargers, checked. Battery pack, checked. Wallet, checked. Debit cards and credit cards, checked. Here you go. I have the passports and tickets.
Thanks. I'll keep them safe.
Make sure you don't lose them. We can't travel without these.
Sure, and I booked a cab. It'll be here in 5 minutes.
Yay! We're finally going! I can't believe we're going to Paris today.
All right, everyone, grab your bags. Let's get ready to go.
I'm so excited. I've never been on a plane before.
Yes, I'm a little nervous too. Do planes have bathrooms? Yes, they do, but they're really small.
Really? Like a tiny bathroom?
Exactly, a little bathroom.
Hey guys, wait. Where are the passports and tickets?
What? I gave them to you.
Yeah, I know. I put them in my pocket, but they're not here now.
Mom, you said we can't go to Paris without our passports and tickets.
Wait, sweetheart.
So, are we not going to Paris?
Don't worry. Give us a little time to figure this out. Wait, David, did you leave them in the taxi?
Oh no, that might be it. Let me try calling the taxi driver. Wait, it's the taxi driver calling me.
Thank goodness.
Hello? Hello, sir. Is this David? Yes, this is David. Hi, sir. I think you left your passport and your airline tickets in my cab. I found them on the back seat after I dropped you off. Thank goodness! I was looking everywhere for them. Don't worry, sir. I'm outside the airport right now. Can you come and get them? Absolutely. I'll be there in just a minute. Hi, sir. Here are your passports and tickets. Thank you so much. You're the hero of the day. I'm just glad I could help. All right, everyone. We have the passports now, and we're ready to go.
Yay! I thought our trip was going to get canceled.
No, sweetheart. We're finally going to Paris. But first, we have to check in.
What does check-in mean, Mom?
Check-in is when we give our bags to the airline. They'll weigh our luggage to make sure it's not too heavy.
Oh, okay.
We'll also show our passports and tickets so the airline can verify our information before we get our boarding passes.
That sounds easy.
Good evening. May I please have your passports and tickets? Sure, here you go. Thank you. Everything looks good. Your information has been verified. Your luggage is within the weight limit, so you're all set. Here are your boarding passes. Thank you. Your checked bags will be sent to Paris, and you can pick them up at the baggage claim after you arrive. Perfect. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a wonderful flight and enjoy your trip to Paris. All right, everyone. Now we have to go through the security check.
Mom, what's a security check?
It's a safety check at the airport. The security officers make sure everyone is safe before getting on the plane.
Mom, what do we have to do at the security check?
We'll put our bags, jackets, shoes, and electronics in the trays. Then they'll go through an X-ray machine.
What about us, Mom? Do they scan us too?
We'll walk through a security scanner. It only takes a few seconds.
Can I keep my water bottle?
If it's a large bottle with liquid in it, you'll have to throw it away or empty it before security. Small travel-sized liquids are allowed if they follow the airport rules.
Good evening. Please place your bags, jackets, shoes, and electronics in the trays. All right, kids, follow the officer's instructions.
Make sure your pockets are empty.
Do I have to put my teddy bear in the tray too?
Only if your teddy wants to go on vacation too.
He definitely wants to see Paris.
Then don't worry, we'll make sure he gets through security safely. All right, everyone. We're done with the security check, and now we're at our gate with our boarding passes. The next stop is Paris.
Yay! Mom, what's a boarding pass?
A boarding pass is a special ticket that lets you get on the airplane. It has your name, your flight number, your gate number, your seat number, and your boarding time.
So we have to show it before we get on the plane?
That's right. The airline staff will scan our boarding passes before we board.
Finally, we're going to Paris! I'm ready for my adventure! Yay! I hope Paris has amazing food. All right, everyone, we're flying to Paris! We're putting our phones in airplane mode now. See you in the next video when we explore Paris! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stories. Bye! See you in Paris!